Hey guys, it's Halloween Dead, part 4? Yeah, part 4 of the DIY haunted basement. It's getting there. It is Tuesday, and I only have until Saturday to get this all set because that's when our Halloween party is. So, I'll give you a quick run through. Coming down the basement stairs. I still have to keep all this open probably until Thursday so my wife can continue to do laundry. But as soon as we come through here, we'll be turning. And this is going to be the Hall of Spiders. I already got one thing hanging there. I'm going to have a little bit of black light. This spider right here is going to be set on a floor sensor. So as soon as they step there, he is actually built up here, and I have it tilted over a little bit, so this will actually spring out pretty far. I gotta make sure I have the foot pad back far enough so nobody gets hit. So I'm gonna obviously do a crap load of webbing in here and do some lights. So I have a pretty cool black light strobe light kind of up there, so I might do something with that. So come around the corner here, not sure exactly how much you'll be able to see. I put together a rickety bridge here. It's just gonna go side to side. It doesn't go too much. I think I have to work on it a little bit just for the fact that the arm handles when I walk are hitting me in the leg. So I might have to take the arm rails off and take care of something with that. So, but come around the corner here. She is a motion sensor shaking dead bride. Her eyes light up. She moans, whatever. Gonna have a light in here. So when they look in, they will see probably like a firelight or something in here. So. Then we turn the corner. This is the black light room. I actually put all of these faces that I got online at, I believe it was, you know what? I don't remember. Yeah, so whatever. So I did some faces on them with some glow-in-the-dark paint. So that'll light up. Actually, I have a couple of them that have eyeballs in them, so when you walk by there's actually an eyeball. I have some tape up in here that hopefully will stay. This glows up pretty good with the fluorescent lights. He's a ghost, head goes up and down, arms go up and down, so that'll be good there. Some stuff written on the wall in black light paint. I actually bought a 12-pack of just little vials of black light paint, and they turned out to be all of them white, but actually it looks kind of cool. So then we go through here all the way to the end of that hallway, and I'll have a trigger so it sets off a light for Jason, who is in here. And I made the machete for him the other day. And then I have to come to the Room of Hell. That's not what I'm calling it, but there is so much stuff in here, it's gonna suck to have to do. So for now, that's it. I'll be down here again tomorrow night, getting some more done. This is the last room that I really gotta crack down on. I still have a lot to do in the other room. I got to do all the spider webs and probably fix that bridge so nobody hurts themselves, especially the kids. So until then, I guess I will see you in part 5.